Hi my friends, today we model this part. It has some features and the drawing is this one. We start by creating this contour by using the dimensions in the drawing. For instance, instead of placing this distance of 120, we use 112 plus 4 plus 4. We have to take dimensions from the drawing, not inventing other eventually wrong dimensions. Yes, the thickness is 14. We start by creating this contour and we apply extrude on 14, symmetrical. We use dimensions in the drawing. For instance, I have to place a dimension between this line and this point. I'll use 185 dimension in the drawing minus 4 dimension in the drawing. The same here. This distance, yes, is 112 plus 4 plus 4. We don't invent dimensions by heart. This is one of our main principles in creating a sketch. New standard millimeters IPT XY plane, and we draw some lines. One horizontal, press the left button, go here. When you see a tiny horizontal, now you are sure that the vertical is tangent with that arc. Once again, press the left button, align with the vertical point, go here and down. Now you see that we have these two aligned or collinear. We continue with a horizontal here, a sloped line here, another sloped line, and a closing line. Then we place this aligned with the center point. We apply equal to these two arcs. Then we place a major dimension to scale the sketch. As I said, 181 plus 4 is this 185 dimension, and we have another view of the sketch. We place on the same horizontal this point with the center point. Then this is radius 30. This distance is 36. This line has a vertical dimension of 92. We have to move down this and we place the dimension of 32. Oh no, not 32. 40 minus twice of 4. This 40 and 4 twice are dimensions in the drawing, as I said. This is not 112, but 120 minus twice of 4. Once again, we respect what we established together. Other dimensions are 105 here, .75 is this, this is with the same dimension like here. I copy this, and one dimension is needed, this 97. Okay, this is the first sketch. Now we apply some fillets. 32 is here, also 32 is here, and also between these two, radius 32. Let me place it in a proper position, this. Now we have a fully constrained sketch again, and we can apply extrude symmetrical of 14. We continue with this diameter of 30, which is placed to both features. Okay, I start with this 4 millimeters for a new plane, and then 40 for the length of extrusion. New plane, up 4 millimeters, then sketch. We have the center point projected here, so we can draw a circle of 30. Finish sketch, extrude the other direction on 40. We hide this plane, and we apply another one, plane, up at 4 millimeters again. We create a new sketch, F5 to have the same view, because I want to project this circle here. We see here the length of this cylinder of 10. Extrude the other direction of 10. We hide this plane. Next is this metric 18 hole placed on this feature. Hole, face, center, thread, isometric profile, 18 here, and 2 this face. Okay. Now we have to apply these pockets on both faces of the part. Dimensions 36 is this center, 36 is also here, then 8 millimeters all around where appropriate, so that we use offset mainly. This face, new sketch, project geometry, this geometry, then offset of 8. Wow, a lot of constraints. Good. Now we place a circle here at a distance of 36 from the center point. Another circle down and align on vertical, or place again 36, tangent to both sides, and we trim entities. You see here fully constrained. We lose fully constrained, but we'll add other constraints to be sure. 8 dimensions needed. Take a look here, apply, and we have a fully constrained sketch with remove of this one dimension. Where is that? This here is not 8 millimeters. Remove, done, and I apply also 8 here. Okay, finish sketch. You see here the depth is 3 millimeters. Extrude this contour other direction with cut of 3. Okay, we apply radius 2 millimeters to both contours. Okay, then mirror of these two features about the XY plane. You see, I place here 2 fillets and here we see only one. I don't know why is this situation, so that I apply manually 2 millimeters. Now I noticed that there is a wrong dimension to the first sketch. You see here the dimension of 185, and in the drawing 185 is from here. This 4 millimeters must be subtracted from 185. Double click 185 is the dimension in the drawing minus 4, another dimension in the drawing, and we have here another value. Another error is this is 112, and this is 112 plus 4 and 4. What is here? Here is 120 minus 120 is not a dimension in the drawing. It is this dimension 120. So we apply 112 dimension in the drawing plus twice of 4. These are my mistakes, my friends. I have an age, and this is the result always. This year I'll be 80, my friends. Finish sketch, and we can try to see what is the volume. Eye properties, physical, update, dimension, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is almost the same. We keep the last value because this is what we made together here. The material is steel carbon. The color is steel cast, and these two faces are smooth light orange. We hide the edges and we apply the other light. This face is still polished. Now you can compare the two and you don't see any difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.